Hello and welcome. I am Success Coach Nilesh. I'm a best-selling author and award-winning business consultant. I'm here to share with you some business concepts in a simple and easy way so that you can become financially free and business owner faster. So make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you will be the first one to watch that. So all the best and stay in touch. See you soon. What is business? So guys, many people have this concept about business and they have this idea about their business in their mind and they use that idea or they run their business with that concept. For example, some people think, making profit is a business, or, becoming their own boss, or helping someone, or creating products and services for the society, or, just earn a lot of money. That is business. And what happens is, when they start their own business, they go into the business with that sort of concept. And what happens, sometimes they become successful, sometimes they do not get a success. And when they speak to their friends, they say, the business is difficult or they are not able to become successful. So to help you solve that problem and give you a simple and easy definition of the business, I'm here to share with you that definition. Now that definition is not there in any of the books because that is something which I have created and I'm sharing that with all my training clients, or wherever I do my coaching and consulting. So the definition is very, very simple, and the reason it is simple because that is how it should be. Because when the things are simple, they are easy to understand and then easy to use. So what is business in a simple way? So make sure you write this down. Business is a game. Business is a game, and I'll explain you at the end of the video. Business is a game in which we exchange value and money. Business is a game in which we exchange value and money. Now there are 4 words which are extremely important here. Game, exchange, value and money. Now why do I say business as a game? Now think about this, many of you who are about to start their own business, or many of you who are in the business, many people, what happens, they think about business, they feel it's stress, it's a lot of work, they need to look after the clients and employees and money and all those sort of things. They feel it's a lot of work, and what happens, that feeling gives them the stress. But exactly at the same time, think about, you want to play a game. So whenever you want to play a game, just there is no pressure. It can be a hard game, maybe a difficult game, but just the word that it is a game, it feels a pressure a little bit low. And that's what you want to do. You will be anyway working hard, you will be anyway dealing with customers or your employees. So why do you want to take the pressure and make yourself make your life much more stressful? So make it simple. Consider business as a game. The moment you start thinking business as a game, suddenly you will feel the pressure is gone, and that's what we need. Now why do I say it's exchange? So business has to have these 2 things, and they are going to there should be exchange of these 2 things. So which 2 things? Value and money. Now what do I mean by value? So think about this, hospital, you're not feeling well, you go to the hospital, there is a doctor, they cure you and you pay them money. So they give you the value by curing you and finding out your disease and giving you the medicine, and exchange that you pay them the money. So there's a value of exchange of value and money. Food, restaurant business, you are hungry, you go to the restaurant. What happens? You order the food, you eat the food and you pay the money. So you are hungry, that value the restaurant gives you, it gives you the food. You are happy, you pay the money, restaurant is happy, so the exchange has happened. Travel business, maybe you want to travel by train or travel by aeroplane. You take the ticket so that the company gets the money and they take you from place A to place B, and you get the value, they get the money, the exchange has happened. So guys, exactly in a similar manner, take any business, maybe grocery business or IT business or freelancing business or any sort of business. In that business, the exchange has to happen, exchange of value and money. Now you tell me, what happens if there is only money? What happens? The business doesn't survive that long if it's only money, because you're not focusing on the value. And what happens if there is only value? We call it as a charity, because what does charity do? They only help people, they don't expect money in return. But honestly, charities also need money to run, right? So think about this. If you are starting your own business, keep it simple. Exchange value and money. Think about any product and service that you have, that you are going to give to your customers. think about this, what value it is adding, how it is making their life better or faster or easier, and in return to that value they are going to pay you the money. They should pay you the money. That is important. That's how the exchange happens, and that's how the business happens. So guys, business is a simple definition. Business is a game in which you exchange value and money, and when there is no money, it is a charity. So make sure you exchange value and money. Hey, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it very useful. So guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell icon, so that every time I upload a brand new video, you will be the first one to watch that video. And hey, share this video with your friends so that they will be able to know these business concepts in a simple and easy way, so that you all can become business owner financially free faster. So all the best and stay in touch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.